Hello, and welcome to a short video overview on the integration between Syspro and Skynamo. Before we begin, we're going to have a quick look at the Syspro side of things, where you're able to view your various different customers, their unique codes, branches, your chosen currency, in this case rands, and other details. Clicking through to the Skynamo side of things, we can find all of these details in the Skynamo Customers tab, where we are then able to see your list of customers with the exact same information as it was entered in Syspro. If we then click through to Products on the Skynamo tab, we will see a list of our products already exist in Skynamo, which will reflect the same list of products we have in Syspro, which you will find under the stock codes and then by clicking the search icon in Syspro. We can then go ahead and add a new product in Syspro, first by creating a stock code, a description, long description, pick a warehouse to use, add a product class, and then save these details. Next, we will be prompted to choose a warehouse where we can set the cost, quantities, and other details before saving this information and closing the window. We can then go ahead and close the main window with our new product information. Now that we have added this product, we can run our integration, which will add the product onto the Skynamo side of things. Once this integration is run, we can see that our new product has been successfully added to our product list on the Syspro side of things. If we then head across to Skynamo to the Products tab and refresh the page, we will see that our new product has been successfully uploaded to Skynamo with all of the correct details we added about the product in Syspro. Now, we can go ahead and add a new customer as well. Starting on the Syspro side, we can click on the Customers folder, where we can then create a new customer code and fill out the customer's name, branch, salesperson spoken to, and more information in detail before saving and closing. After that, we can run our integration to push this new customer and their information through to Skynamo. Once our integration is run, we can go into Skynamo's Customer tab and should find the new customer we just added. We can then click on the customer to find all of the details of the customer, which we filled in on Syspro, have pulled across successfully. We can then go ahead and place an order in Skynamo by clicking on the Customers tab, followed by selecting the customer who we are placing the order for. We then select the Add drop-down and Create New Order, where we can select the products for the customer, choose the quantity, and add this to our order. We can then give it a unit price if it doesn't already have product details allocated in Syspro. Here, we can also add customer discounts and product-specific discounts for certain customers before selecting Next. Next, we can go ahead and add a comment and reference about the order to provide additional information to the back office or to pose as a reminder for orders in the future. We can add a recipient's details as well to receive the order before capturing the customer's digital signature. Selecting Next will take us to an overview of the order so that we can check all details before we place the order. Finally, selecting Place Order will prompt your order to run through the Skynamo system while integrating with Syspro, issuing you with an order number, in this case order number 24, and we can then return to that customer's Overview tab. Once we refresh this page, we will see our order number 24 appears on the timeline. Selecting this order will take us into the specific order we have just placed for further details. Once the integration is run, we can see how this order information looks in Syspro. By selecting the order, we can see the order number 24, the customer who is ordering the product, price of the product at 150 Rand, and more details we may have entered. And there you have it. Thank you for watching this Syspro integration overview video for Skynamo, the all-in-one field sales platform.